Second personal laban kay Simon, sending Lloyd Ditugade to the line.
3 shots for Lloyd Ditugade.
Fairly quiet game para kay Lloyd Ditugade. Only 1 3-point field goal to show so far sa ating laro. That can all change. Alam natin kung gaanong kabilis uminit ang shooting nito si Lloyd Ditugade.
Ditugade was fouled in the act of shooting a three-pointer. Also, Rosella is back on the court. Mike Cortez goes back to the Magnolia bench. Ditugade restores an 8-point lead for Magnolia, 73-65. So that was it was a steering Pure rally moments ago. Richard Gee way outside, sending it over to Peter Jun Simon. Rice wants the basketball against Pinky. It is Lanete from the corner. First 2 points for Chico Lanete.
The bench starting to come alive para sa Pure Foods. Chico Lanete, that's his first basket. Kanina nakita natin, PJ Simon from the outside. They need that help for the bench.
It's going to be a foul against Villanueva. Madalas sila ni Pingris ang nakikita, no? Many instances here in this ball game. You see the contribution so far of Mark Pingris sa kanyang bagong kupunan. At pareho sila ni Enrico, no? Both playing for their third team here in the PBA. Pingris started with 21, moved over to Pure Foods, and now is part of Magnolia. Enrico started his career with Red Bull, moved to Magnolia, and now is part of Pure Foods. Approaching the last 2 minutes of the third quarter.
Simon obviously gaining confidence here in this quarter. First half he was scoreless, but right now sa quarter na to, he's looking to attack that basket. You know, especially when it's an open court situation. Ito si Peter Jun Simon really loves to run and try to go for those layups.
Darius Rice will get a quick breather here in favor of Kirby Raimundo. And once again, both teams playing without their imports for the remainder of the third quarter. As Peter Jun Simon makes it a 5-point ball game, 74-69. 5 points tonight so far for Simon off the bench. And there's a steal by Lanete, and Lanete will score. Rosella crosses the half-court line. 3-point ball game here in the third quarter. Pingris grab pass will not work. Here's Rosella. Fires the goal. A chance for Pure Foods to inch ever so closer after trailing by 14 points. And Lanete with a step back. Lanete makes it a 1-point ball game. Magnolia up by just one, 74-73. Ryan Gregorius troops now banging on the door.
Kanina nakita natin stats during the halftime. Only 2 points for them. But Chico Lanete right here, their defense and full court defense really helping them out. And right here, after that shot, a lot of confidence. That's his shot, that step back jump shot, especially on top of the key.
Sly Lanete. Or Chico Balboa. Making pitch. But Lanete, a spark here for Pure Foods. Magnolia up by just one. Here's Rosella. So this is a veteran unit for Magnolia. Danny I inside. Danny I no good. And Danny I got the offensive rebound outside Rosella. Here's Tugade. Tugade goes right. Side step and he is fouled.
2 more free throws para dito kay Lordy Tugade. Free throw shooting. All of a sudden, dun na lang nanggagaling yung puntos nitong Magnolia. Defense of Pure Foods has picked up. And Magnolia, naging pinapahirapan sila sumor ngayon ng Pure Foods.
Si Copa Raimundo tinawagan ng foul is third personal at yan po ay penalty na, no? Itong Pure Foods. Tugade, that's the second free throw to keep Pure Foods at bay. 76-73. Tugade with 8 points off the bench for Magnolia. Here's Simon. Slices through. And he is blocked by Daniel Defensa. Here's Racela. Racela on the move. 3-on-1 break. Racela's pass was hit. Hinayang na hinayang yung Magnolia there because that was a 3-on-1 break and that was supposed to be a layup for Daniel Defensa.
You know, even if they keep possession of kaya nanghihinayan si Olsen, he knows every time there's a 3-on-1 situation, he knows that he should be able to get his team to score.
Here's Racela. Peña. Outside. On Tiveros. Wow, but it bounced in. Shooter's bounce for Gordon Ontiveros.
Just enough backspin to let that ball get sucked in back into the ring para kay Dondon. Maganda yung shooting niya ng first half. Ngayon, may halo pa swerte.
Here's Villanueva. Slams into Gordon Peña. Wait a minute. Magnolia was claiming that there was a call. But Ronji Aldaba saying, no, there was.
But he definitely blew his whistle. Itong si referee Aldaba. Not a lot of people heard the whistle, pero nakita natin pumito siya. At narinig natin na pumito siya.
There's a major collision between Peña and Villanueva. And then after this play, Magnolia thought this. Tuloy-tuloy pa. But then the whistle was blown by Tronji Aldaba, stopping that play and sending Villanueva to the line.
What he's saying is the whistle came just a bit late para pagkatapos ng bangga bago pumito si referee Aldaba.
So yan na po ang panglimang personal foul ni Dorian Peña in danger of fouling out of this ball game. There's still one entire quarter remaining.
You know, that's a big foul dahil lang pamalit nila dito kay Watkins. Ito si Dorian Peña. Ngayon, yung dalawang big man nila na pang poste, both of them in foul trouble.
5 seconds to go. Dondon can take the last shot here. 3 seconds to go. Ontiveros fires. Oh, that's it! Dondon Ontiveros with a 2-1 push. And the officials will review this. As they do in all buzzer-beater situations, but it certainly looked like it counted.
Yeah, a lot of eyes really looking at etong ganda ng laro ni Dondon Ontiveros. Obviously inspired sa araw na to.
Because Magnolia wants to bounce back with a vengeance after a disappointing stint in the Philippine Cup, and they count the basket for Dondon Ontiveros, and Magnolia remains on top, 82-75 at the end of the third. Here's Lanete. Darius Bryce. And he loses the ball. Steal completed by Racela as we begin action in the fourth and final quarter. Ontiveros outside. Tugade thought about it. Tugade. And Shotak is then sticking with his veteran crew, keeping Watkins on the bench. Lanete has the ball. Lanete on the board. Lanete over to Peter George Simon. No. Gives it down by 7, and Richard Gee is fouled. And if that's on Peña, it's good night, Gordon. Sayonara, Dorian Peña will foul out of this ball game after scoring 2 points and grabbing 5 rebounds.
Quick night para dito kay Dorian Peña. And right now, Coach Shot Tankinson forced to bring back Jamil Watkins